Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you're highly welcome. If you are my old subscriber, thank you very much. I do appreciate you. If this is your first time of seeing my face and you want to hit the subscribe button, please do it right away. One love. Today, I will be talking about child bleaching. Child bleaching is a trend now especially amongst the black. What's wrong with having a child with a dark skin? I don't get it. Like, the question is, these antifungal creams, antibacterial and anti-inflammatory creams are, I thought it was used by adults in those days. Now people are introducing these creams, such as creams like Fombat A, Epidem, Visitor Plus. This harsh cream that is supposed to be used under medical supervision. I don't. Yes, these days some mothers go as far as using harsh chemicals on their newborn babies just in the name of having a fair child. I don't get it. And to think that some mothers have PhD in rubbing children this cream, that it will get to you see their skin very smooth and fair, because when they start using this cream when the child is just born, when it's a newborn, it will, and it's easier for them, like unlike when the child is grown up. So when they use it when the child is newborn and they use it continuously, you would think the child is fair, but actually the child is not fair. Now these parents they don't let their children play outside, because by the time the child that you use bleaching cream on, or this cream that tones their skin anyhow, when they fall, it's very difficult for them to get healed easily. That scar will be there. Sometimes they don't allow their children to play to avoid these ones. Okay, let's talk about these ones. Are the ones that have PhD in rubbing creams. They rub their children very well with this cream, and I know it's what you like, it's not my child, but have you considered when you use this cream in a long run, have you considered the effect it will have on your child? Have you? That will actually determine the intelligence of this child. Is their complexion the priority, the number one priority? Like, I've not seen where it's written that a fair child is more intelligent than the one that has a dark skin. I'm yet to see it, or I don't know. If you are bleaching your skin as an adult, that one is okay. You decide. Let these children decide when they are grown up if they want a dark skin or a white skin or whatever skin. Stop bleaching these children. It's really getting too much. You see a father that is dark or chocolate, or the mom is dark or have a brown skin, brown skin or chocolate skin, I don't know. They will have this white child. Like, they will not say, hey, my great grandfather is white, my great grandmother is albino. Even without you asking them, their guilty conscience will not be telling. Fine, I'm not disputing the fact that there are some people that are dark but even have white kids, as in kids that are a bit lighter than their parents, maybe from their gene, from their generation, their forefather or their mothers. But when you see a child that is using a bleaching cream, you will know that you can't compare a natural fair person to somebody that bleached their skin. Talking about child bleaching, this is very risky. Even as adults, when you bleach your skin, and as in the repercussion is even too much. Talking of a child that has a tender skin. Why bleach these children? Why? The way they are now shipping this cream, they'll say, please, I want 20 rolls of Visitor Plus, 50 rolls of Epidem. They ship it to Europe to use on their children. Why don't you use such money? Go to the dermatologist or go to the pharmacy, get the right cream for your child. It will not cost you. Okay, now that you have turned yourself, now you bring the Visitor Plus, you mix it inside another cream. Now that you have turned cream mixer, or you've done a cream baker, because I don't know if you are a baker now or you are a mixer. You mix that together. What is your gain? What is your gain? Are you happy with the color riot? Yeah? Are you happy with the color riot you are seeing? Your child, is your child looking so beautiful in your eyes now? Eh? I would like to also know that. I know most people will be angry that I'm doing this video, but because people don't want to talk about it. Even people that are bleaching their children, they are the first to even say, no, I'm not bleaching my child, but my child has a natural skin. Without you asking them, be very watchful. You don't even have to ask them. You don't need to ask them. They will be the first to tell you that they are not bleaching their child. If bleaching is that good, why are you ashamed to say that you are? Why can't you just come out and say, yes, I bleach my children, I am a child bleacher? Why? Because you know it's not right. You know you are doing the wrong thing. That is why you cannot come out boldly to tell people that you are bleaching your child. Some will even pick offense. Like if you are friends before and you tell your friend that stop bleaching your child, it's not nice. It's getting your child's skin is getting spoiled. You might even gain an enemy. At the end of the day, you don't get to talk again because of this. Just talking about bleaching, meaning is wrong. Stop it. Stop bleaching your children. Skin is being stressed. Like it's just so painful when I see children having Coke and Fanta color. They are looking so, some will even be scratching, some have sores on their body. It's so bad. It's so bad. Please, let children be children. Stop it. Their skin is too tender to undergo this. Those days, we are even using PS lotion. To take care of a dark skin is very expensive. Like this winter, I've been having issues with my skin. I know how much I've spent and my skin is still breaking out. And I'm even dark. So it's expensive as well. Who told you are not beautiful when you are dark? Who told you your children are not beautiful when they are dark? I even want my kids to be more dark. I want to look more darker. These days I feel I'm even getting lighter. I want to be darker. Honestly, the darker the better. When you talk about these issues, this association of child bleachers, they will be angry, they will be upset. Like, is it your child? Is my child? Who told you I'm bleaching my child? Wrong with being dark skin. If you actually are ashamed to say that you bleach your child, then it's wrong. Please stop it. If your child's skin is damaged already and you don't know what to do about it, start with coconut oil. That is natural. Start with coconut oil. The same money you use to import those things, that they should bring it for you. You tell them to meet somebody that can do the original coconut oil for you. Don't go to supermarket or just do it locally. Buy the coconut, let the people responsible for doing it, they are there anywhere. Tell them to do it, bring it, use coconut oil to rub this child. It will take some time for the skin to blend together, but it will actually blend. Please guys, if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that. Please like my video, share to your friends, tell a friend to tell a friend. You know that we do. Please guys, support the family, and thank you for watching my video. I do appreciate that. See you on my next one. Bye.